going on, man? It's way too cold for y'all to be out here like that, man. Oh shit. What's going on? Nice to meet you, bro. Malik. What's that? Oh, CVL 600? No, it's solid. I like the looks of it. To be honest, that one looks better, but hey. You know what I'm saying? What's you got, ZX6? Oh man, yeah, that. Hey, I'll give you that. Solid bike.
It used to look a lot better.
It looks good right now. I can't lie. This side? Nah, man, that's a cool picture. Oh, damn, you're holding it. Oh, shit, I need to buy one of those. Is it really worth it?
It's comfortable.
It's comfortable? Is it light, though?
It's light.
Yeah, because this is killing my head right now. Try it? I mean, I can't really try it. I got this thing in the mic inside. It's kind of killing me, but damn.
Yeah.
That thing's ripping. What the fuck?
Yeah, it's like...
Nah, there's no way. I was thinking about buying a PISTA, but...
Pieces are dope, too.
It looks better. My opinion. My opinion looks better. What is it, an Alpine Star?
Yeah. The Alpine Star.
Solid.
This one specifically is like $1,200, so it's around PISTA price.
Yeah.
But that's just, you can get the all white one or the all dual carbon fiber one for $1,000.
For $1,000? Man, I'm not order that next week. Actually, I fucked up. I low-sided that thing about 3 weeks ago.
Where at?
Oh.
What side?
On that side. Oh, actually, yeah, it's this side. Yeah. It's really not that deep, though.
Yeah, it's not.
Yeah.
Not even writing.
How long have you been? I want to say total seat time? About 3 months. Yeah. Oh, you too? Oh, man. You ready for that crash, G? I don't wish it. It's already happened?
Yeah, that's why you
Oh, damn. Damn, man. Oh. If you need one of these, I think I have some at home. You should give me my Instagram. I could give you like a pair with the whole bar thing. Yeah. I got you. Yes, sir. Got you here, man.
There we go.
I'm gonna add y'all as soon as I have enough power to pull my phone out. Yes, sir. No, man, I'm about to go get a pin lock for my shit. It's been fogging up. So, like, I got the camera right here, right? I will close it, and then I can't access the thing to open it. So then my shit's just foggy, and I can't see shit. Bullshit. Man.
You're around this area?
Oh, yeah, I live in there. Mainly, I do ride around Cinco Ranch, though. Cinco Ranch is fun.
Yeah.
It's a lot of trees, scenic. It looks good. You got shit to talk about. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Yes, sir. You alright, man?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'm about to go get that pin on quick. Cool guy, man. That's a nice picture. Let me see if they got a PISTA. I might just buy it right now. Oh, God. I'm actually not going to do that right now. I'm going to just take a look around the helmets. How y'all doing? Damn. It's a fantastic store. I love it. This is my key. Put that in the pocket. Hey, is that a PISTA? No, it's not a PISTA? Oh, man. You gotta be up there, man. You know what I'm saying? That's where we gotta be at. Oh, man, I mean, hey, you gotta look cool. You know what I'm saying? Hey, at least you got the bike, and you're not doing bike stuff. You're just going slow. Might as well look cool, right? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, think about that. What's your favorite helmet so far?
I don't know. I have no idea.
Actually, if you knew, I would have bought you it, but no. Okay. Yeah. Man.
I just can't decide what brand I want.
Personally,
The Shoei 1400 or the K6?
This is a 1400 K6.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
It's heavy. Like I'm dying right now. Yeah, especially with the camera. Oh man, my head's about to fall off. I was riding. I kept doing it.
Okay, so how's the wind noise?
The wind noise? It's basically no wind noise.
Okay, that's what I want.
That's what you want. But then, is your neck strong enough to hold it though?
Is enough what?
Is your neck strong enough to hold it though?
Hey, listen, the one I have now.
Shit. Okay. Alright. Okay. Oh. I just get a 1400 then.
Yeah?
Yeah. But to be real with you, the K6 is not that far off from it.
Right?
Yeah. I haven't ridden with it, but I went around the street a couple of times. Went about, 60 miles per hour? It was pretty much the same level. It was around the neighborhood. My bad, correct. R6. I got an R6 and I got a 959. Yeah. I mean, it's really. But yeah, if I was you, I'd get a K6. Just having experienced this shit, it's bullshit. It's big, it's heavy, it doesn't look cool. And then your head kind of swings if you go too fast, you know. Yeah. It's a nice helmet though. What I would do, I'll just buy it, ride on it. If you don't like it, bring it back, buy the K6, ride on it. If you don't like it, bring it back, get the 1400 again. Extra steps, but hey, at least you know for sure what you know.
Yeah. No, dude, last time I came, they tried selling me in a ride.
Oh, no, don't do that. Yeah, don't do that. That's for OG campers. If you got an ride, you gotta have a Harley too. Some of them do look. I want that thing right there. This one, that. Yeah, it looks like the one I got on, but it looks like slightly more. That one, color scheme. Yeah, that one was cool. That was fantastic. They do have him in plain white too. Might do that. Do y'all have Instagram?
I do.
Yeah, let me log you in. I'm actually attempting to record a YouTube video right now. I don't know how well that's gonna go, but we gotta see. Here we go.
I literally don't post anything though.
Oh, you don't post? I post a lot. Well, I just started last week. You got a bike. You should start a YouTube. You could be. Hey, there's not a lot of female writers. Just record your commute. That's what I do. I just go on traffic.
I don't even have a camera for anything. I know.
You know what? If you ever come around to it, shoot me a text. I'll give you a GoPro.
Nah, that's
I have like 6 of them. I don't need them. No, I got you. 100%. Dead ass. You see, I look cool right now with this one.
it does look good. I like it.
You like it? Is it?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
But I think the one was sleep.
Ooh.
Yeah, R6, right?
Yeah.
Me too. I got the same one.
Oh damn! What's in it? Oh damn! I need to get that suit too. No, we're gonna be tweeting for real.
I'm on my homie's bike. I'm on his 6R, but cause I'm wrapping mine right now.
Oh, you have yours? What color?
I can't disclose it.
Oh, you can do. Oh damn! Damn, man.
Miami blue.
Miami blue.
Manually.
Oh shit.
I swear, it's in the group chat.
The leaks and shit.
No, like, yeah, cause he said that he always tries to edit it, but did it actually come out?
Nah.
Yeah,
It wasn't blue.
yeah, it was like purple, right?
Mhm.
Like, you don't know yet. You still don't know.
Man, they better not do that, man. We got to find them.
Huh?
We got to find them, bro. You got an IG?
Yeah, I got you. You look at JP?
JP?
Yeah.
Hey, you follow you? All the homies follow you, actually.
Yeah?
Type shit. Yeah, bro, I need a visor like that. No, not a visor. What the fuck is the name of that thing? Yeah, the wing skin.
Way better. I like it.
Actually, I'm about to go force carbon.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That yours is clean. How long you had it?
Actually, I bought 2 of them last month. I got that one and I got a 959.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, mainly I ride the 959 just for fun.
959 is clean.
Yeah, but then coming from that, I actually took the R6 right after riding the 959. The difference in riding, I thought I could lean that far, but I lean and I kind of, yeah, I ate some guys, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. Yeah. Damn. Oh, that's how you got the suit?
I got up. I thought I was going to keep going. It stopped at like 153.
What, your R6?
No, I'm talking about his. Mine too.
Hmm.
Yeah? Okay, his probably not.
So the thing, yeah, before I put the system on, it was like 164. Put the system on, then it dropped.
Damn. You tune it?
Yeah, cause,
No? You gotta tune that shit.
Yeah.
yeah, I think it's not tuned because
I'm gonna send you the contacts for my tuner.
I feel like it runs like it's tuned. Like it runs perfect.
Sounds nice.
So I don't know.
I love the arrow.
Mine is actually tuned. I got it tuned from the dealership.
Real?
Yeah.
I got the M4 one, right?
Yeah. 450.
M4 too. I don't have that one. I have a different one.
I kind of want to switch though. I want to get a Krapovic.
A what?
A Krapovic.
Oh, Acro? Yeah.
Yeah, I want to get the long muffler.
GP.
Yeah.
Are you riding with us or what?
I mean, I don't know. Where y'all going?
Wherever.
Well, y'all just riding? Shit, I might just tag along. Hey, you know what I'm saying? I do need a pin lock though. I need to figure that out.
I don't know if should be. Well, it's not bad.
Alright, let me just handle this pin lock situation. I'm gonna get all that with y'all. Yes, sir. Woo! Oh man, I just modded on the squad. How you doing, man? Cool, we back. Shout out to the homies. Shout out to God. Got it. Whew. All right, man. Bro, we stood out there in the cold for about what, like an hour, just waiting on the guy. Yeah, it don't seem like bro showing up, so, and I don't really feel like waiting that long. Let me check on my stuff, make sure I'm good. Got it. Let's see. Make sure the sleeves and everything is cool, solid. Camera clip, we good. Everything good. Shout out to God. Close the visor. No more fog. Yes, sir. I can actually hear myself now, which is fantastic. Oh man, I don't have to check this thing off no more. Wow. See, we're making improvements. Steady. We steady. This pinhole smells like chemicals. Love it. Cool. No traffic thing would actually be losing my camera. I don't really care for much of the other stuff. Hey, shout out to Soccer Gear, man. The equipment is perfect. That's a huge improvement. Personally, I feel like items like that should be non-negotiable. Neutral shifting. Yes, sir. People be popping stoppies or usually they do the neutral thing and then they kind of. Man, you about to come down and ruin my life. Yeah, man, but overall, I feel like that crash taught me a lot of things. Notably, I should probably get better at using my signals, because one guy did mention that I didn't have my turn signals on, because watching that video showed me that. The other thing, I need to just put myself in situations that kind of, you know, mitigate the risk, because if I fall, that's cool, you know what I'm saying? Well, it's not cool, but you know how it is. If I fall, right? But where am I falling? In front of the 18 wheel is not the best spot, if you know what I mean. Definitely not the best spot. So, I need to put myself in more, approachable situations, well, more favorable situations. See how that goes. But apparently I was missing a pin on my helmet, and that was affecting the sound inside of the helmet. There was supposed to be a whistle. Oh, that's what he called it, a whistle. It's raining. I might as well just go back home. You know what? Let's do that. Yeah, I'm going back home. Let's head back to the crib. Yeah. We good? So just that mirror right quick. Yeah, we should be good. If I gotta go out, I'm gonna take the yeah, I mean I can hit the gym later tonight. Yeah, I'm not losing anything, yeah. It's fast, bro. But like the other guys were saying, it was like, it's kind of hard to explain. It's a thing that happens with leader bikes. Well, I guess it's torque. You can call it torque. As soon as you get on it, it leaves. This thing starts doing that like in a high RPMs, like a very high RPMs, and it's not really the best. That's not the best way to make power. Well, it's good if you got an S1 car. It's actually fantastic if you got an S1 car. It's fantastic. It's a great thing. And congrats to you if you got an S1 car. But on a smaller vehicle, well, especially something that's supposed to be quick, it's better to make the power like instantaneously. I guess that's how you can call it. Man, I'm so scared for my phone right now. Wow, it's like 4 times 16. 16 is a huge number in my mind. Yeah, we're not doing too much cutting. Let's just go. Yeah! My phone is still in there. Okay, you know what? I'll just trust the thing. Trust the pocket. Even though the pocket's failed me a couple of times, but hey, what can we do? Gotta trust the pocket, right? I'm gonna take this spot right here. Please, my truck, sir, don't kill me. You're getting a little too close right there, G. Damn! I love this thing. Damn, I'm scared of falling off. That shit is not even funny. Let's take a shortcut. Yeah, we're basically gonna cut behind you. What the fuck is this? Oh shit! Where the fuck am I going? Oh shit! There's a gate right there? I can't do that. I don't got no gate key. Oh man, I gotta bust a U-turn now. Fuck. Damn. Shit. Okay, cool, let's do it. Let's go. Do I make it? A little bit on the wall. Yeah, just a little bit. Got it though. We get it. Oh, I think I figured out what that, basically, the pin lock, it smells like coffee. It smells like coffee, I promise. I'm definitely not mistaken. It smells like coffee. That's the easiest way to put it. I mean, I was like, damn, it smells like chemical. But then now that I'm, breathing in a little more, definitely coffee. Is you good? Oh. Okay. All this bullshit right here, goddamn. You know what? I did change my mind about going to the gym. So, yeah. I think I'm having second thoughts now. I kind of want to go back. I feel like a bitch. Damn. Well, I hope the exhaust sound, well, not the exhaust sound. I hope the audio, the view is going to get offed. This is a threat. Let's go. You can see my blinkers, right? Is it blinking the right way?